let's talk about natural testosterone boosting supplements. Do you have low libido, low energy, feeling depressed? This video can help you. Stay tuned. First things first, what is testosterone? Testosterone is a natural hormone that is found both in the male and the female body. The majority of males have a high testosterone levels. Women have testosterone levels, but we thrive on estrogen, especially during our years as our fertile years, essentially. It is a primary sex hormone for males. Low testosterone can cause depression, low libido, lack of motivation, weight gain, osteoporosis. So essentially, you would be like a female, essentially. High testosterone, you don't want it too high of a testosterone, but normal testosterone will cause increased energy, high libido, focus, fat loss, good moods, as well as bone strength. Men that have optimal testosterone have great strength, essentially. Normal levels of testosterone, saying the text shows that 300 to 12,000 is the normal. 300, I think, is very low. Anyone that is 500 or greater, obviously everyone will be optimal at different levels. 500 or greater is normal, in my opinion. Okay, let's get right into the supplements that help. One of the supplements that help is DAA, also known as D-ascorbic acid. This is an amino acid and helps release luteinizing hormone, which essentially plays a role in production of testosterone. As soon as DAA releases, it enhances your testosterone levels, muscle mass, and fertility as well. Second, I call Tribtuso terracis. This is a herb that has been used for centuries. It's used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine, and it supports male vitality, and it affects testosterone level. And this definitely increases libido and sex function. Next is fenugreek. Fenugreek is also a boosting testosterone level traditional medication. It can be used for body composition, strength, and energy. Okay, let's talk about ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is also a Ayurvedic medication that's been used for thousands of years. It helps in supporting and balancing your hormones. It helps to decrease stress, improve energy levels, and overall wellness. Next is vitamin D. Vitamin D is needed in every single person that has low testosterone. Vitamin D plays a great role in optimal levels. Lastly is zinc. Let's talk about some risk about some of these supplements that you guys can get over the counter. So everything is with a risk, especially when you're doing things on your own. If you have prostate cancer or enlarged prostate or family history of prostate cancer, I would recommend that you follow up with a provider or someone that specializes in this, and don't start taking things to produce testosterone. It may cause your prostate to enlarge. It's if you're taking a certain amount of testosterone, or you're taking these supplements and it's boosting your testosterone level, it may cause infertility, it may cause insomnia, it may cause aggressive behavior, mood swings. That's when you know that the pendulum has swung the other way, aka you're either at a high level or a high level that you are not tolerating well, or you just don't need, your body does not need to be on that certain level of testosterone. That's why I always advocate find a provider that does this. I'm a person on the internet, and obviously these are supplements that you can research and Google on your own, but at the same time there are risks. Okay, best practice for a person that's trying to increase their testosterone level. Find a provider that specializes in hormone replacement therapy. There are hundreds and thousands of providers out there that does that, and that's their specialty. Second thing is get your labs drawn. If you don't know where your baselines are, you don't know how far you're going to be needing to go. And third is do your research. You may not need extra testosterone. You may just need to exercise and diet effectively. However, some people do need that extra boost. So this is what this video is about. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment. Obviously, this is for educational and entertainment purposes only.